Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your tablet, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds, just like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. When you see this kind of Android robot laying down here, you just have to hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option Enter Fastboot. And after that you will end up in the Fastboot mode. Here, just like in the previous mode, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select. And you have such options as Reboot System Now, Enter Recovery, Reboot to Bootloader, and Power Off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, Reboot System Now, and your tablet will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.